Can AI really write your next non-fiction bestseller for you? Well, if you'd like to find out, stick around to the end. Hey, I'm Henry and I'm from Product Creation Formula. And here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Okay, now here we are at Designrr. Now, I don't doubt you've already heard of Designrr at some point during your watching videos and whatever else. Now, Designrr is very literally an ebook creator. And the best part about this is that it actually allows you to create an ebook using AI. Now, unlike Scribble, if you've already heard of Scribble, it doesn't give you that option, whereas this one does. Now, not only does it create the ebook content for you, it also creates the cover for you. And all you have to do is choose a template and then it'll create the cover for you. All right, so let's go and have a look at how this works. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go over here to what's called Word Genie. So I'll just scroll up there and then we can use that. We'll start off. It'll ask a few questions and then we can move on. Now, let's have a quick read of this. This tool will generate ebook titles, outlines, and descriptions for the first paragraph of each chapter based on the chosen niche. When your AI will finish generating your ebook, you'll be able to edit your new ebook and add more content and publish it. Now, it's also saying here that premium users will get 600,000 credits to start off with, and I'd highly recommend you get that. And I'll leave a description down below. And the reason I'm saying that is because it really does give you a lot of credits, and that's what you need when you're creating these kind of ebooks. So, and you'll see why once we finish creating our ebook. So I'm just going to go here, let's get started. Now the topic I'm going to be choosing, I'm going to grab this, copy that, and put it straight into here. How AI can write a best-selling non-fiction ebook. That's going to be the topic. We're just going to go next. Now we have to just add a theme, and that's pretty easy to do. Just click on that, and this gives us a drop-down menu that we can then go down to. Now I'm going to go all the way to the bottom because I want to make this a non-fiction book. So click on here again, scroll down to the bottom. We'll make this non-fiction. Click on that. And it gives us another one we can choose as well. We can make this about digital marketing, or we can make it about content creation. We'll have a look and see what it says. Okay, I'm going to make this one about digital marketing, this one here. And if you want, you can choose a third theme as well. But I think I will leave it at, I'll put business, I think. Yeah, that's good. All right, that'll do. We can put up to 4 themes. I'm not going to do that. And all we have to do is hit next. Now, this is where it gets tricky. This is where it chews up a lot of your things. Now, do you want to choose one of these sub niches? Now, I would suggest choose more than one so as it gives you more options. How AI can write a best-selling non-fiction ebook. I think that's good. Using AI to write a best-selling non-fiction ebook. Okay, that's the same as the other one. Applying AI techniques to create successful business ebooks. Okay, yeah, all right. There we go. Exploring AI-driven methods to write best-selling financial. Okay, utilizing that. You can have a read through all these and choose the ones you want. I'm going to choose only 3. Leveraging AI to write best-selling cookbooks and nutrition AI-driven strategies to write successful travel. It's going very niche specific. Getting a best-selling history. Okay, so I think I'm just going to using AI to write. Okay, I'll create those 3. That'll do. And hit next. What audience is your ebook targeting? Okay, so my particular audience is going to be internet marketers, people wanting to make money online, and people interested in selling ebooks, and that is all I will write. All we have to do is hit next. Now here's some suggestions for some titles for your ebook. Unleashing the Power of AI, a guide to crafting a best-selling non-fiction ebook. That's actually really good. You can make it smaller if you want. The future of education. Okay, I think I'm just going to go with that one. I'm just going to hit next. Sometimes it does take a little while to go across to the next page because it's thinking about what it has to do. Okay, so these are the actual chapters it's written. Okay, so it's given us 7 chapters this time, and that's fine. You can have a look through. You can add some extra content here if you wish to. This is the introduction, how I can write best-selling ebook for you. Okay, this is all good. It looks like it's got quite a few subtopics in here. That's really good. And then all you have to do is hit next, and we'll just give it a moment. It's going to create content for each of these sections for every one of these chapters. So this will take a little while, and I'll pause the video till we get back. Okay, so as you can see down here, you can see why I'm selling. It's really good to have the idea to have 600,000 credits because already it's chewed up 5,218 credits. So you can see why I'm suggesting that you go for the premium, where it gives you a lot more credits for you to be able to use in creating this ebook. Now, if you're going to be doing that, letting it create the ebook for you, it's way better to make sure that you get it from using the premium credits that you get. Okay, so this took about 18 minutes to create. And how I know that is because it was actually 4:10 when I started this, and it's now was 4:28. So there we are. It's now created quite a few pages. Now it used up 25,000 credits. So that takes me into the 500,000 credits now. And as you can see, it's done all 7 chapters. Now let's go over and let's continue to create this. So what we'll do is we'll go choose a book cover from the templates just here. We'll click on that. We'll have a look and see what it comes up with. Now we can choose from what they have here already. You got machine learning, artificial intelligence. Okay, I like this one, that looks nice. Now remembering you have a lot of different covers you can check out. If you don't particularly like that particular type, you can have a look at all the other different kinds they have. What I wouldn't mind doing is having one which is like a robot hand typing on a keyboard. That'd be awesome. If I can't find that, then I'll just choose the other one I looked at before. Okay, so I think what I'll do is I'll go back and I'll just take that first one I saw up here. I like this one here. This one I liked. So let's use this one. And we'll have a good idea as to what it's actually going to create. This won't take too long, but I will pause the video until it's ready. Now this didn't take too long to create at all. And we'll click on this and have a quick look at what it actually looks like. Okay, so we can have a quick scroll through, have a quick look at what it looks like, and we can then, once it's ready and you're happy with how it goes, now do make sure that you do some editing if you need to. Like for example, this one here is a blank page with just a picture. You can just get rid of that if you wish to. And just, as I said, do make sure that the formatting is correct. Go through it page by page. Make sure that it's the way you want it. Also, if you want to add your own story to it, you can, just to personalize it to make it a little bit more like how you want it. If you don't like the heading being there, you can click on it until it goes down to the next page if you wish to. It is completely up to you. Let's go back over here, get rid of that for one moment. And once it's done that, we'll go through and have a quick look. And I'll be able to delete a few things and I'll show you what I mean about making it go down to the next page. So as we saw before when I was scrolling through, there was that blank page we saw, this one here. But we're already aware of this one, you know how to do this. But let's now go over here to a little bit further down, scroll down to here. Okay, so say for example, you see this, leveraging AI to generate. So we can click on this section just here and grab that and drag it down to the next page. We'll put this into this section just there. There we are, there we have it. And it just makes it look a bit neater. And this is what I mean by formatting it. It's really quite easy to do. And that's the beauty of having this, is that it doesn't really take that much to do. And you can also shrink that up if you wish to. So Daisy, make that a bit wider. And you can also drag that up a little bit too if it's not quite where you want it. And you can do that all the way through. And to be quite honest, you have your entire ebook made in a very short period of time if you wish to. It's not that hard to do. Just a little bit of formatting, reading through, making sure it's exactly what you want. It's saying exactly what you want it to say. And then you can publish it on Kindle, or you can publish it on Amazon KDP. Alright guys, if you got some value out of this video, have you smash the like button as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Also let you know, right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here is an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, or poke me in the forehead with your finger, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.